Hi, everyone. I wanted to just touch base very quickly. You have been building a great deal of skills through the course so far, and what we're going to really dive into as far as our next module is we're going to put all of those skills in action. So, this is what we've been building towards. So, you're going to start out with your quantitative article critique, and I do want to suggest to you that you choose an article that is pertinent to your practice, pertinent to your area of interest. So make sure that this is something that not only you're doing the critique to really attain the objective of this particular course, but make it useful for you and your practice that will help you as you move forward. So as you're crafting your assignments in the next couple of assignments where we're going to dive into the qualitative critique as well, there are some suggested articles, but don't limit yourself to those things. Make sure that this is a meaningful process for you and really enjoy the process because you've gained quite a few skills and now is the time to really put them in action. So if you have any questions or concerns, just let me know. I just wanted to pop in, let you know that if you need absolutely anything, please reach out to me. Take care now and keep up the great work.